Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Waqar Tech, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a stapler from Daraz App. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz App. After that you have to open the Daraz App and search here in the search box. Here you can see it, I am writing here stapler. Writing stapler, you have to search for that, and you can see that basically different samples are came in front of you. So basically here you can see it, you can see a different stapler are showing in front of you. So basically I am going to click on that one. You can see it, first one. So here you can see it, 4 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, you can see it, peach color stapler. Here's another sample, you can see it in front of you. You can see it here. Here's another one, you can see it, 12 sheets, 10 you can see it, less than equal to 40 pieces, you can see it. So here's another sample, you can see it, daily stapler 0222, you can see it here. So mini school stapler, you can see it, 10H0222. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you can see it PKR rupees 199 rupees. If we talk about the original price is PKR 399 rupees, but after 50% off you can buy it only in PKR 199 rupees. So if we talk about the rating, then you can see it here, 3.67 out of which 5 stars are given here based on 3 reviews, and 10 people already love this product. Free delivery 10 October to 11 October on minimum spend of rupees 0 from same store. Ask questions about the product, you can see it, ideal choice 96% positive review. Bank promotion, bank vouchers available, click to collect, coins promotion, earn up to 199 coins on this item, redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you can see it here, brand, no brand, number of pieces inside, 1, model number 0222, staple type staple, express delivery Karachi, box content 1 into mini school stapler, you can see it, and SKU number is also given here. So you can see it here. You can see it basically. Here you can see it. If you talk about the delivery, you can see it here. Select your location on which you want to get this stapler. Standard delivery 10 October to 11 October on 99 service charges, and enjoy free shipping promotion with minimum spend of rupees 0 in certain area. Ideal choice. Service 7 days returns. Change of mind is not applicable and warranty not available. So here you can see it, ratings and reviews. As I already tell you, 3.7 is the rating. You can see it good. So you can see it, only 3 reviews are given here, and 2 photos available. What people like about it, you can see it, good quality 1. Very good and cute mini stapler. It is good quality. I like it thanks to Daraz. Here you can see it, it was so small in size. You can see it by Sharia N. So here you can see it, good quality but too small. So basically if you want to view all, then you can have to click on the view all option. Questions about this product, you can see it 0. There are no questions yet. Ask the seller now and their answer will show here. So basically if you want to ask any question, then you have to click on that ask question option. Ideal choice 96% positive seller ratings. You can see it, 100% ship on time and 100% chat response rate. So basically if you want to follow the ideal choice, then you have to click on that follow option, or if you want to only visit the store, then you have to click on that visit store option. You can see it basically here, 6,553 people already follow the ideal choice. So here you can see it, from the same store you can see it, you can buy different more samples. You can see it here in front of you. So highlights, brand, no brand school stapler, material ABS plus SPCC, number of 10 staples, you can see it here, 12 sheets, capacity per 80 gram, max staple capacity 40 pieces, integrated staples remover, convenient low staple indicator, mini size for portability, integrated staple remover for convenient staple removal, product size 59.000 into 33.000 into 21.000 mm. And description is also given here, brand daily school stapler, material ABS plus SPCC, number of 10 staples. So basically you can see it, if you have to buy this stapler, then you can see at the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on buy now option or buying this staple. Thanks for watching this video.